Yeah, good day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise of any video. First steps for you to import the media on your camera. Click on it, import media. Navigate where you have your video on your desktop. Now I've imported the video on my media now. Next thing for me to drag it on my Canva timeline. It has been dragged on the timeline now. The next section is for you to click on more. On more, you will see where you have audio effects. Click on audio effects. Scroll down, you have where you have noise remover. On that noise, drag it and place it on the video. Here, the video noise has been removed. You will see at this right part of this Canva where you have sensitivity and amount. Here you can now play at this parameter now. For you click on gain. Gain means that you want to increase the volume of that video. For you to have a good audio quality, you need to increase the volume of the video and try to play along with this sensitivity and amount for it to have a good audio quality. That is how to remove the background noise of any video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, turn off the notification and like this video, and as well share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.